Okay, on this frame, got cat brood larva in all stages, eggs around the outside, and there's the queen right there. See her? Very dark queen. So you're moving towards the top of the frame there. Let's see what she's gonna do. A pretty small queen too. Okay, I'm gonna put her back in. And I am gonna look at the next frame. Okay, you see how they're building out the comb on the next frame? Building it out really nicely. See how they're starting more or less on the top. They've already got the top on its way to being filled with nectar. We're just starting on this side, so a little slow as far as the production, and I will have to do something with that wonky frame there. Let's see if I can see the queen again here so I don't squish her. And but the hive is doing okay. They're using up the resources, they're building out, they're hatching out, and the queen is laying just fine. So I'd like to see them maybe doing a little better. And of course, for now, I'm gonna put this frame back. This is the wonky frame. And because I think I know that that's why it is wonky. It's because the frame that's against it is wonky. So I don't want to do anything until all that brood hatches out, and then maybe I can move the wonky frame out to the sides, or maybe I can just get rid of it and replace it. So that's it. I'll get these frames back in, square everything up. These bees are amazing though. I mean, it's not an overly hot day, but it's plenty warm enough for me to wear shorts. I don't need much of an excuse to wear shorts. And these bees are amazing. No issues at all. Okay, so let's get this on. I will have to bring more sugar water out to them. I'll bring that out tomorrow. And then we'll just keep an eye on that wonky frame. Oh, and I didn't see the queen cup either, so they've dealt with that accordingly.